Okay guys, so it is the holiday season and I am ready to glam up, and starting off with my hair from Hermosa Hair. All the information on this wig will be in the description box down below, but they give you some nice little trinkets and I want you guys to see the body. Look at that hair, look at the way it's waving. And of course, none other than Touched by TJ is going to be installing my wig for me. Now guys, TJ has moved to LA. So if you are in the LA area and you're looking to get your hair and your wigs snatched and your edges laid and such, TJ and Blake are in LA. So if you guys are looking for someone to save you from the trenches out there, then you know, they are there. They're available. So go ahead and book with them. All of their information will be in my bio as well. I just want to make sure that you guys are getting the treatment that I was able to get while TJ was here. But let's go ahead and get back to installing this wig from Hermosa Hair. So while the wig is laid on my hair, TJ did go ahead and customize it before putting it on my head, but he's going ahead and detailing those little parts that I need to be plucked for the flawless install that is about to occur. And of course, we always do lay that hair with our hot comb right before cutting off that lace, just to make sure that it's going to be very perfect in place. So once that lace is being cut off, then we are going to be really styling the hair. So because of the style that I'm going for, I like these big voluminous curls. So I would advise that if you guys are going for like kind of a fuller, more voluminous look with your hair, layering your hair is a really good technique to make sure that hair looks a lot fuller. Because of the different layers, it gives the illusion that the hair is a lot bigger than it actually is. And you know, this hair was really, really good at layering as well. And I would definitely say if you guys are trying to keep your hair bone straight, then don't layer it at all, unless you're trying to go for like kind of like the flips at the end or anything like that. Then it'd be smart to go ahead and do that, layer it. But you know, the hair is automatically layered because if your hair is like super, super long, the frontal is always usually longer. But if you are going straight, don't layer. If you're looking for big voluminous curls, let's go ahead and put some layers up in there. Like make it brick by brick, you feel me? So once the cutting is properly done, we are going to finish with that band. You don't want to tie it on for too long because, as TJ says, you'll die. You don't want that band to stay on for too long. You don't want it to compress your thoughts and your memories and, you know, start giving you amnesia and such. So TJ is going to go ahead and cut off the baby hair. And we're going for more of like a dramatic look because I do have a photo shoot that I'm preparing for, of course, as you guys can see in the video. And we are going to do the ergote method where we curl those baby hairs with a mini flat iron and then go ahead and set it with that foam wrap. Now this, honestly, if you guys are looking for like the big juicy curls that, you know, might, you know, have a little 401k with those baby hairs, you know, them baby hairs that have 401ks. You guys know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. If you guys are looking for that, this is definitely a good method for that because the hair lays so perfectly. I mean, look at that. Look at how that hair is just simply put right there. Now, I know makeup artists be hating whenever we do these big baby hairs because, like, it's, like, so hard for them to do makeup. Like, literally so hard to do makeup. But that is why I'm going to be doing my own makeup in this video. So, it wasn't too much of a challenge for me, especially because the hair was glueless. So, if I need to go ahead and pull it and put it back, like, you know, where it needed to be, then, you know, it was easy to do that. And once we wrap that down, it is time to go ahead and do these big voluminous barrel curls. Now, the barrel curls are done with a curling iron, not a curling wand. I don't remember the last time I actually used a curling wand on like my hair for like big curls, but curling irons, I've been switched to like, you know, the actual official side, the official side, and I use a curling iron to do my curls as well. So the bigger the curling iron, the bigger the curls you're going to get, but like it's not going to be like as wavy, I want to say, or is wavy the word that I'm looking for? It's going to definitely give a barrel curl. Like you're definitely going to get more of like a big wave rather than it being like more of like a tiny kind of curl. So like, you know, it does make the hair a lot more wavy than curly, but it really like ends up looking really nice and elegant, and especially with those layers, especially with those layers, like literally with those layers, it's literally just so scrumptious. You look scrumptious. After finger combing it out and using an actual comb to comb it out as well, that hair is just laying. Like, look at that. Like, oh my gosh. That's when you start feeling yourself. When you get that instant facelift, when you get your hair done, that's when you start feeling yourself. You start making little faces at yourself in the mirror. Like, yeah, I know I look good. I came here looking busty, but I know I look good now. You can't talk to me. But now it is time for us to go ahead and apply this beat to our face so that we can go to our photo shoot. So, of course, my big girl tendencies, I gotta keep it realistic, guys. Like, I was hungry before I was doing my makeup, so I had to like chomp a little bit, but it's okay. I want to talk a little bit about this primer that I am starting to use, that I've been using for like the past month, guys. As you can see, my skin has been looking like pretty good lately. It's been looking pretty good. And with this primer, I literally think that it takes my makeup to the next level. And sometimes I feel like whenever I wear this primer, I literally don't need to apply anything else. I could just wear this primer and do a no makeup look, maybe like apply a little bit of a mascara or something like that. But this primer is the Chanel primer. It's literally just so perfect. So I went ahead and set that primer. Yes, I do set my primer. So I went ahead and set my primer using a translucent powder. And then I went ahead and did the rest of my makeup routine. Now I will be doing an official makeup video for you guys. So I don't want to go too much into detail about what I do, but I will let you guys go ahead and watch the transformation of my makeup. And we'll come back and see what everything is looking like. Okay, I can't even lie, guys. This is probably the best I've done my makeup in like forever. And I will be doing an updated makeup routine. I haven't done that for you guys like in like years, but I will be doing a updated makeup routine for you guys during this Vlogmas series. And I'm so excited to show you guys, you know, how I really get into detail with beating this face, because the routine has changed. And I know you guys can see the difference in my face now as opposed to when I was doing my makeup before. So that is going to be it for this video. Look at how wonderful my pictures went ahead and turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram. Make sure that you guys are following me on TikTok, Twitter, anywhere that you guys can find me at Cinderella OG. Find me and follow me. And let's go ahead and continue to build this family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed and beautiful gems, and I love you so much. Smooches.